See, minus 3 is less than minus 1 by 2 minus 2x by 3 is less or equal than 5 upon 6 x belongs to R. This is the question. Minus 3 is less or equal than minus 1 by 2 minus 2x by 3 is less or equal than minus 5 upon 6. You have to find the solution set and to represent the solution set on the number line. So first of all, we will make two inequations separately. So first is minus 3 is less than minus 1 by 2 minus 2x by 3. This one is the first. And the second one is minus 1 by 2 minus 2x by 3 is less or equal than 5 by 6. Okay. Now to solve this one, here you will see the LCM of 2 and 3 is 6. So multiply by 6 in all the term. If you are multiplying 6 3 are 18 minus 18 is less than 2 3 are 6 minus 3 minus 3 2 are 6 4x. Right? 2 3 are 6 is the LCM. 6 3 are 18 minus 18 is less than 2 3 are 6 3 1 are 3 minus 3 3 2 are 6 2 2 are 4 minus 4x, and you know how to take the LCM. Similarly, in the right hand side, 2 3 and 6, what is the LCM of this one? Is also 6, because 2 3 are 6 and 3 6 is the LCM, so multiply by 6 in all these terms. Here, if you are multiplying by 6, this one will become minus 3 minus 3 2 are 6 4x is less or equal than 5. If you are multiplying by 6, because in both the inequation there is LCM 6, so multiply by 6. Now what is the aim? Your aim is to just find the value of x. Value of x. So here minus 4x, this minus 4x transpose to the left side and minus 18 transpose to the right side. If you are transposing this one, minus 4x will come here, plus 4x is less than minus 3 or plus 18. Just transpose this. And this is minus 4x is less or equal than 5 plus 3, because minus 3 will transpose to the right side, plus 3. So 4x, this one will become 4x is less than 18 minus 3, 15. So x is less than 15 divided by 4. X is less than 15 divided by 4. I think 4 3s are 12. 3.25, some 3.25 I think, because if you are dividing here, and this is minus 4x is less or equal than 8, then minus 4x minus x is less or equal than 8 divided by 4 minus x is less or equal than 2. Here is minus x. So to remove the minus, just reverse, change all the sign. You will get here x is greater or equal than minus 2. What are the boundary condition? Saiba, explain once again. Okay. Nevada, this is the equation minus 3 is less than minus 1 by 2 minus 2x by 3 is less or equal than 5 by 6, x belongs to R. This is the question. And it has already asked in question in year 2010. Now to solve this inequation, separate into inequation, and you know how to separate, already I have told you. First of all, start here. Minus 3 is less than minus 1 by 2 minus 2x by 3. Up to this, there will be a first inequation. And the second one is minus 1 by 2 minus 2x by 3 less or equal than 5 by 6. So there are two inequations you have get separately. Now solve these two inequations. If you are taking LCM of 2 and 3, then you will get the LCM is 6. So multiply by 6 and hold the inequation of first. So if you are multiplying by 6 here, 6 3 ja 18 minus 18. If you are multiplying by 6 here, 2 3 ja 6, 3 1 ja 3 minus 3. If you are multiplying by 6 here, 3 2 ja 6, 2 2 ja 4 minus 4x is here. Now denominator 6 jo that 6 LCM will be eliminated because will be on both the side. Now transpose minus 4x to the left side. Minus 4x to the left side will be plus 4x, and minus 18 to the right side. Minus 3 is already here. Minus 18, if you are transposing to the right side, here will be plus 18. Now 18 minus 3, this is 15. So 4x is less than 15. Then x is how much? 15 divided by 4. So from the first inequation, you have get the value of x is less than 15 divided by 4. Now from the second inequation, the LCM of 2, 3 and 6 is also 6. So multiply by 6 in all the term here. If you are multiplying by 6, 2 3 ja 6, 3 1 ja 3 minus 3, 3 2 ja 6, 2 2 ja 4 minus 4x. And here if you are multiplying by 6, cancel out, there is only 5. Now, minus 4x will be in the left side, transpose minus 3 to the right side. Here, minus 3, if you are transposing to the right side, minus 3 is minus, so in the right side will be plus 3. So, 5 plus 3 is 8, minus 4x is less or equal than 8. Now, divide by 4 because this one is in multiply. So 4 will divide here in 8. So 8 divided by 4 will be 4 to the 8 minus x is less or equal than 2. And since x is negative, so you have to make positive, and you know if to make positive we change all the sign in the given equation. So if the minus x will be plus x, less or equal will be greater or equal, plus 2 will be minus 2. So x is greater or equal than minus 2. Okay. So what type of interval? Who will tell me what type of interval we get here? किस टाइप का इंटरवल मिला? Anyone? Which interval we have get here? Open, closed. और लेफ्ट राइट करके भी बताओ बेटा. आर्यन, लेफ्ट राइट करके भी बताओ. राइट क्लोज, लेफ्ट ओपन. नहीं बेटा, उल्टा हो गया. उल्टा हो गया, फिर से बताओ. वंस अगेन. फिर बोलो आप. राइट ओपन, लेफ्ट क्लोज. नहीं बेटा, फिर से बता. लेफ्ट क्लोज, राइट ओपन. राइट आंसर. लेफ्ट क्लोज, राइट ओपन. क्यों? क्योंकि देखो, अगर आप लोगों ने हैव यू रिटन नोट डाउन. पहले नोट कर लो, फिर आप करें, फिर बताते हैं आगे. ओके. here the value of x is greater or equal than minus 2. Definitely the value of x is greater than minus 2 or greater than is equal to 2. But is less than 15 by 4. So is less than 15 by 4. So this one is in the right hand side and this is in the left hand side. So in the left hand side closed interval minus 2 and in the right hand side open interval 15 by 4. This is the solution set. This is the solution set minus 2 15 by 4. 15 by 4 means 3.43 is 12. 12 3 4 7 is sorry 12 4 7 is 28 or 4 5 is 20. So near about 3.75 if you are dividing by 4 in 15. ठीक है 3.75. So this is also इधर हम लिख भी दे रहे हैं. This can also be written as minus 2 or 3.75. Now since x is a real number, it is given that x is what real number. So you can't tell the finite number because you know where infinite number will be there in between these two intervals. So just you will represent the solution like this one and the representation of this line is this solution is on the number line here is minus 2. So take minus 1 minus 2 minus 1 minus 2 and here 1 2 3 4. Suppose that this one is 3.75 and this is minus 2. So you know at minus 2 black ball clear at minus 2 which ball black ball. So minus 2 black ball and at 3.75 white ball. Now this is the representation of the solution on the number line. Either you may make arrow or just make dark in between these two boundary points minus 2 and 3.75. ठीक है. अच्छा ये बताओ बेटा चलो सॉल्यूशन सेट में minus 2 will be included. Minus 2 will be included. Yes. 3.75. No, because it is open interval and because it is open interval and you know in the open interval boundary point is not included. 3.7 3.744999 ऐसे 3.745 समथिंग मतलब 7 के बाद 4 9 ऐसे ले सकते हो लेकिन 5 तक नहीं जा सकते हैं एक तरह से मतलब लास्ट की बाउंड्री पॉइंट 3.75 नहीं हो सकता है. So this was the solution and representation of the given equation on the number line and all the questions are from the board, so every question is important. No any question is left here. So come to the question number 23 and this is from integer. Can I rub this one? Question number 23. It is from integer का solve the following inequation, write down the solution set and represent it on the real number line. The question is minus 2 plus 10x is less or equal than 13x plus 10 is less than 24 plus 10x, x belongs to z. This is integer and this is from 2018. So ये भी question may be important for you. Minus, हाँ, tell me. क्वेश्चन नंबर 30 आप कौन सी बुक ले रहे हो? पहले पुरानी वाली या नई वाली? हाँ तो पुरानी वाली में होगा बेटा, नई वाली में ये क्वेश्चन नंबर 23 है। हम नई बुक, आज नई बुक है मेरे पास, तो नई बुक वाले से आपको बता रहे हैं, ठीक है? आप अपने में 30 मार्क कर लेना, ठीक है? हाँ, पुरानी बुक में अगर 30 पे दिया है तो 30 क्वेश्चन मार्क कर लेना। Now this is minus 2 plus 10x is less or equal than 13x plus 10 is less than 24 plus 10x and x belongs to z. This is the question. You have to represent the solution set on a number line and the solution also. So first of all, make two inequations because one inequation is given here and the second one is here. So definitely you have to make two inequations. So first of all, come to make the inequation. So first is minus 2 plus 10x is less or equal than 13x plus 10. This is the first inequation up to 10 because here the next inequation is starting, and the second one is from here 13x plus 10 is less than 24 plus 10x. We have separated both the inequation. Now just we have to solve them. See, this is 10x and this is 13x. So transpose 13 to the left side. 13 is plus here. If you are transposing to the left side, this one will be minus 13. So 10x minus 13x is less or equal than, ये साइन एज इट इज रहेंगे, इधर देखो ये प्लस का 10 है और this minus 2 will transpose to the right side, minus 2 will be plus 2 here. ठीक है? Solution is just like a linear inequation which already you have done in the lower six classes. So, tell me. हाँ बिल्कुल, कोई दिक्कत नहीं, आंसर वही आएगा बेटा। हाँ, चाहे आप इधर से इसको ट्रांसपोज करो, इसको कोई दिक्कत नहीं। तो 10x and 13x is transposed to the left side minus 13x, 10 and minus 2 to the right side plus 2. So this is minus 3x is less or equal than 12. So x is less or equal than, minus x is less or equal than 12 divided by 3, minus x is less or equal than 4. Since here x is negative, you will make positive this one. So x is greater or equal than minus 4 and everything. This is, I hope everyone has find the value of x is greater or equal than minus 4. सबका आंसर ये है ना, x is greater or equal than minus 4. Now come to the right hand side. Here 13x and this 10x transposed to the left side minus 10x is less than 24 and plus 10 to the right side minus 10. So 13x and 10x will transpose to the left side, 13x minus 10x and 24 minus 10. So this is equal to 3x is less than 24 minus 10 is how much? 14. So x is less than 14 divided by 3. 14 divided by 3 means in decimal, near about 4.66, ठीक है। तो x is less than 4.66 and so. Now, since this one is an integer, and you know integer is including 0, plus and minus with whole numbers. So the value of x is greater than or equal than -4 है, तो जब -4 से greater or equal लेंगे, पहले तो बताओ which type of interval you will get here, which type of interval, कौन सा interval आपको मिलेगा? हाँ हाँ, left close and right. So first of all here, चलो एक लाइन इसको ऊपर लिखते हैं। देखो, this is the can I rub this one if you have written? The value of x is greater or equal than 4, x is greater or equal than -4, and x is less than 14 by 3. Remember, this is 4.66. So this is the closed interval. First of all, इसको एक लाइन में लिखो, -4 is less or equal than x is less than 14 by 3, or every x belongs to z. Means if you want to write in the interval 4 and 14 by 3, left close, right open. Now what are the solution sets here? यहाँ solution set बेटा you will get finite solution set. यहाँ पे आपको solution set finite मिलने वाला है, and you will write all the solution set in the curly bracket. रियल नंबर में ही केवल सॉल्यूशन आपका नहीं मिलता है, इनफाइनाइट मिलता है, बट आप जब कोई दूसरा नंबर लोगे तो उसमें आपको मैक्सिमम क्वेश्चन में फाइनाइट ही मिलेगा। तो द वैल्यू ऑफ x इज ग्रेटर देन -4। अब -4 से ग्रेटर होल नंबर कौन कौन से होंगे? नो नो, नॉट -4। Aditi Shukla, you don't know what is, yes yes, right, okay okay, -4 और ग्रेट सही है बेटा, इंटीजर है ना, इंटीजर प्लस में भी चलता है और माइनस में भी चलता है। तो या तो -4 से इक्वल है या उससे ग्रेटर है, तो -4 से ग्रेटर या इक्वल -4, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2 एंड 3, और उसके बाद 4। क्यों? क्योंकि ये आ गया है आपका 4.66, तो 4 तक तो जा सकते हैं, 5 नहीं जाएंगे। ये आपको आंसर मिलेगा -4, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3 एंड 4। ठीक है, दीज आर द इंटीजर। आप इसमें 5 नहीं जाएंगे क्योंकि 4.6 से नीचे का ही इंटीजर है, और 4.6 से नीचे का इंटीजर आपको मिलेगा 4। So these are the solution set on. Now how will you represent the solution set on the number line? Just draw a number line, real line, and mark these numbers on the number line with black ball. So here 0 with black ball, 1, 2, 3, 4, -1, -2, -3, -2. With black ball, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, -1, -2, -3, -2. ठीक है ना? If you are finding the counting numbers in the solution set, then you will represent with black ball only, ठीक है, these numbers, and you will not show any arrow or any dark line. किसी के बीच में कोई डार्क लाइन नहीं रिप्रेजेंट करोगे और ना ही एरो शो करेंगे, बिकॉज दिस ब्लैक बॉल represents the exact number of the solutions is 0 1 2 3 4 minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 minus 4. Sir, why? Once again बेटा, what are you asking? तो आपका क्वेश्चन देख नहीं पाया है. ब्लैक बॉल, अच्छा ब्लैक बॉल देखो, एक्चुअली ब्लैक बॉल रिप्रेजेंट इसलिए किया, यूज किया गया कि जस्ट इट इज नोटेशन फॉर द नंबर विच आर इंक्लूडेड. ठीक है भाई, रिप्रेजेंटेशन जो सिंबल डिसाइड किया गया विच आर इंक्लूडेड. तो जब इंक्लूडेड में क्या है, these नंबर्स हैं और यही नंबर ही सॉल्यूशन में, इसलिए ब्लैक बॉल से रिप्रेजेंट कर रहे हैं. ठीक है, इसके अगर इसके बाद अगर यहाँ पे डार्क कर देते हो या एरो बनाते हो तो इसके बीच में भी आएंगे, इसलिए हमने बोला है कि ना तो एरो बनाएंगे और ना ही कोई जो है डार्क लाइन करेंगे बीच में, ताकि जो सिर्फ नंबर है वही रहे. ठीक है, ब्लैक बॉल एक तरह से आपको सिर्फ बताता है कि यह नंबर जो है इंक्लूडेड है. क्लियर, और उसका कोई सिग्निफिकेंट नहीं है. ठीक है, और किसी को कोई डाउट? बोलो बेटा, और किसी को कोई डाउट? अच्छा, यस, तो एक क्वेश्चन और चलते हैं, लास्ट क्वेश्चन चलते हैं. आई थिंक कि टाइम अभी है आपके पास, और क्वेश्चन नंबर चलते हैं 25 पे. थोड़ा सा 25 अलग है, तो आप उसको करेंगे. कैन आई रन दिस वन? क्वेश्चन नंबर 25. Tell x belongs to integer. X belongs to integer. A is a solution set of A is a solution set of, हालांकि हम लिख दे रहे हैं आपको, A is a solution set of 2x minus 1 is less than 3x minus 1, and B is a solution set of 4x minus 3 is less or equal than 8 plus x. Find A intersection. This is the question. थोड़ा सा अलग क्वेश्चन है बेटा, और इसी से रिलेटेड एक और क्वेश्चन आपको मिल जाएगा, 26 भी मिलेगा. तो 25 क्वेश्चन है. Here it is written कि x belongs to I. I also, you know, this is the integer. So if you will solve the value of this inequation, if you are solving, then you will consider the value of x is only integer. What the solution you will get, that will be integer. And if you are solving this equation, this is also the solution is will be only integer. So come to solve these two. First of all, solve this one. 2x minus 1 is less than 3x minus 1. So multiply, open the bracket. 2x minus 2 is less than 3x minus 1, or 2x minus 3x is less than minus 1 plus 2. आई होप कि यहाँ तक कोई आपको दिक्कत नहीं होगा. 2x minus 3x minus x is less than 1, देखो यहाँ पे नेगेटिव साइन है, तो सो यू विल चेंज x इज ग्रेटर और इक्वल देन माइनस, x is greater or equal than minus. Now from here 4x minus 3 is less or equal than 8 plus x. 4x minus x is less or equal than 8 plus 3. So 3x is less or equal than 8. Sorry. So x is less or equal than 11 by 3. क्लियर है? सॉल्यूशन सेट यहां तक क्लियर है? चलो नोट कर लो बेटा, इसके बाद बताते हैं, क्योंकि आपके लिए नया है फाइंड इंटरसेक्शन बी, तो आप यहां तक नोट कर ले, इसके बाद आपको बता रहे हैं कि इसमें करना क्या है। नोटेड? रख कर say the value of x is greater than -1. So here देखो, here is the open interval and here is closed interval. So the value of x is -1 is less than x is less or equal than 11 by 3 for every x belongs to integer. ये तो सॉल्यूशन सेट हो गया, और u में से -1 is less than 11 by 3 और यहाँ पे कर्ली ब्रैकेट for every x belongs to I. But since this is the integer, so definitely you will get some numbers. तो यहाँ पे जब सॉल्यूशन सेट की बात करेंगे तो देखो, सॉरी बेटा, ये अलग है, ये अलग है ना, ए और बी अलग अलग दिया हुआ है, तो हम इसमें अलग 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 नहीं निकाले। 1 मिनट, ए और बी अलग दिया हुआ है, सॉल्यूशन सेट एक साथ नहीं लेना है। यहाँ पे x इज ग्रेटर देन -1 की बात कर रहा है, तो ए ऐसे है, x इज ग्रेटर देन -1, ये क्वेश्चन बोल रहा है आपसे फॉर एवरी x बिलोंग्स टू, ऐसे बोल रहा है कि ए, ये पहला जो सॉल्यूशन है वो ए है, और दूसरा सॉल्यूशन जो है वो बी है। तो ए कह रहा है x is such that x is greater or equal than -1, x belongs to integer। तो ए में बोलो कौन कौन से नंबर आएंगे बेटा? x is greater than -1, कौन कौन से नंबर आएंगे? टेल मी। 0 1 2 3 एंड सो ऑन, क्योंकि -1 से ग्रेटर इंटीजर 0 होगा और 0 से ऑनवर्ड सब चलेंगे, ये मिल जाएगा 0 1 2 3 एंड सो ऑन। ये अप टू इनफाइनाइट तक जा रहा है, अप टू, यहाँ पे अप टू डैश डैश डैश, इसका मतलब हो गया अप टू इनफाइनाइट, क्योंकि यहाँ कहां तक जाएगा इसकी कोई गारंटी नहीं है। तो ए इज अ सॉल्यूशन सेट, एक तरह से आप कह लो होल नंबर की होल नंबर है, ये जो मिला वो होल नंबर मिला फ्रॉम द गिवन कंडीशन। और b is what? x is less or equal than, b is x such that x is less or equal than 11 by 3 for every x belongs to integer। ठीक है, 11 by 3 का मतलब डेसिमल में 3.6 जाएगा। You 1 minute sir, but you will take just the integer less than 3.66। बोलो कौन से इंटीजर मिलेंगे? हाँ, इधर इनफाइनाइट, इधर चलेंगे माइनस इनफाइनाइट से लेकर के, और ये -3 -2 -1 0 1 2 एंड 3, यहाँ स्टॉप कर देंगे। Now the question is, what is the intersection of A intersection B? This is called intersection, and intersection means common element। इसमें इसका मतलब हो गया, it means common element। So what are the common elements you are getting? The sets are 0, 1, 2, 3, and this is the A intersection B. Clear everyone? 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on बेटा इनफाइनाइट केवल 0, 1, 2, 3 नहीं है एंड सो ऑन अप टू इनफाइनाइट है यहाँ पे ये अप टू इनफाइनाइट है हाँ हाँ राइट 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 बेटा राइट राइट क्योंकि यहाँ तक लास्ट थ्री है तो 0, 1, 2, 3 हो ठीक है ठीक है हम ध्यान नहीं दिए हैं क्योंकि ये तो इनफाइनाइट तक है पर इसमें 3 के आगे नहीं है तो केवल सॉल्यूशन सेट इज 0, 1, 2, 3 ठीक है ओके ओके सॉरी बेटा वो हमने देखा नहीं है इधर से भी चल रहा था उधर से भी दिस इज द आंसर 0, 1, 2, 3 द आंसर क्लियर थैंक यू स्टूडेंट्स थैंक यू